Selective breeding is the process by which humans breed animals for desirable characteristics. Some examples of this are high meat-yielding livestock, disease-resistant crops, domestication of animals. These are all common ways of selective breeding. Selective breeding is a relatively simple procedure, however requires time. By mating two animals that have a high meat yield, the offspring will share their characteristics. This is then repeated to produce higher and higher meat-yielding offspring.
The biological procedure, however, is quite complicated. Within both of the animals mated together, the desired allele is dominant in the particular gene. By mating them together, there is a higher probability that the offspring will possess these characteristics, but this isn't certain. However, in almost all cases, one of the offspring produced from the litter will possess all of the desired characteristics. Due to it being impossible to tell if, say, a cow had a double dose of the high meat allele, M, or one dominant high meat allele, M. The most common, therefore, is the dominant high meat allele. However, the recessive low meat allele will still cause 1/4 of the offspring to be low meat.
The disadvantages of this are the moral issues. The animals are often in pain or are not living a happy life. A too high meat yield will cause the animal to have trouble moving. Another example was the issue at Crufts Dog Show, where TV coverage was stopped due to the impacts of inbreeding on the pedigree dog's health. However, there are other uses that we will all be familiar with. Garden flowers have been selectively bred to have bright colours and nice smells. By cross-pollinating two flowers, you can produce a flower sharing the two colours. This is done for most garden plants to make them look nicer.
To conclude, selective breeding is when humans interfere with animals or plants' natural breeding patterns in order to try to increase certain desirable characteristics. Thanks for watching.